we want to find the exact value of the following. So the first one is tan 105. Now the thing to do here is to make up the 105 degrees with two angles which are standard angles. So 60 degrees and 45 degrees work really well. So using the tan A plus B formula, we get tan of 60 degrees plus tan of 45 degrees all over 1 minus tan 60 tan 45. Now tan 45 is 1, tan 60 is root 3, so that's root 3 plus 1 over 1 minus root 3. So we want to rationalize the denominator. So on the bottom, if we do 1 take away root 3, 1 take away root 3, and on the top then we've got 1 plus root 3. Because this is a plus, I can easily write that the other way round, and we need to multiply the top by the same thing, and actually they both should have been plus, making use of the difference of two squares here. So expanding the top, I get 1 plus root 3, so that's 2 root 3, add 3, all over 1 take away 3. So that's 4 plus 2 root 3 over negative 2, and that's going to be negative 2 take away root 3. Now in part B, we need to spot here that sine of A minus B is sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So sine 75 cos 45 cos 75 sine 45. This must be equal to sine of 75 take away 45. So that's the sine of 30 degrees, which of course is just half. We now want the value of tan A plus B. Given that A and B are acute angles, cos A is 3/4 and sine B is 4/5. So they're both acute angles, so we don't need to worry about any negatives or the cast diagram or anything. Cos A is 3/4. 16 take away 9 is 7, so this must be root 7. Sine B is 4/5, opposite hypotenuse, and it's a 3, 4, 5 triangle. So this tells me that tan A is root 7 over 3, and this one tells me that tan B is 4 over 3. So tan of A plus B, we know, is tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. So that's root 7 over 3, add 4 over 3, over 1 take away root 7 over 3 times 4 over 3 would be 4 root 7 over 9. So that's going to be root 7 add 4 over 3 over, 1 can be written as 9 over 9, so 9 minus 4 root 7 over 9. So that's root 7 plus 4 over 3 multiplied by 9 over 9 take 4 root 7. So that's 3 lots of root 7 add 4 over 9 minus 4 root 7. Now I have to say at this point that anything this complicated I would not have given you on a real test. But for now, let's just sort this out. So that's going to be 3, 4 plus root 7, 9 plus 4 root 7, all over 9 minus 4 root 7, 9 plus 4 root 7. So that's going to be 3 into 4 nines 36, 9 root 7 and 16 root 7 gives me 25 root 7. And then we've got 4 times 7, which is 28, all over 81. Take away 4 root 7 times 4 root 7 will be 16 times 7, which is 112. So the bottom becomes negative 31. 36 and 28. Let's quickly do that up here. So that's going to be 4. So 64. And then multiplying that out, so 3 times 64 is 192. And then we've got 25 times 3, so 75 root 7s. And so we've got negative 192 plus 75 root 7 over 31.